Hello there, I am Zena James with a look at your weather. All eyes are on Erin, which reached Category 5 status on Saturday as it encountered ideal conditions for rapid strengthening, one of which included warmer sea surface temperatures, which we are seeing a lot more of around this time of year. Erin is currently now down to Category 4, but it could slightly intensify northeast of the Turks and Caicos Islands, which is currently under a tropical storm warning, along with southeast Bahamas. Erin is moving west-northwest and is expected to make a slight right turn later today, followed by another turn northward between the Carolinas and Bermuda by midweek. Stronger northern winds are helping guide Erin between Bermuda and the eastern U.S. coast, while cooler waters could gradually reduce its strength. Despite this, it will remain a major hurricane with high winds stirring up waters, producing really high sea conditions. So we're keeping an eye on Erin. Today, with Erin's indirect effect being far less than last week, as it moves further away from our islands, we saw really hot and sunny conditions here at home, with temperatures peaking slightly over 33 degrees in Trinidad and slightly over 31 degrees for Tobago. So as we head into tonight, drier conditions will continue with mostly clear skies and just a few partly cloudy periods, particularly after midnight, accompanied by a few isolated showers. And right now we're seeing those evening temperatures pretty warm, around 30 and 29 degrees, but it could drop to 24 degrees in Trinidad and 25 degrees over in Tobago. Now with Erin churning further north, we also have two tropical waves. One is just ahead of our islands, which will move over most of the Lesser Antilles by Tuesday morning, increasing the chances for convergence and moisture, more so over Trinidad than Tobago. As a result, we're looking at a hot and sunny start to the day, interrupted by cloudy periods and light to moderate showers, mostly from the early morning around 10 a.m. all the way into the afternoon hours. There's a medium chance for some of these showers to develop into heavy showers or thunderstorms over most of Trinidad. High temperatures will peak around 30, 31, but those sunnier times would reach around 33 degrees. So remember to stay hydrated and try to limit outdoor activity during the hottest parts of the day. Tobago will be influenced to a lesser extent with mainly hot and sunny conditions with a slight haze and just a few isolated showers coming in closer to the evening time. Daytime highs will be around 31 during noontime, but 32 a little closer to around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. The second tropical wave is over the eastern tropical Atlantic and shows a larger area of disorganized activity. The Hurricane Center, the National Hurricane Center rather, currently gives it a 60% chance of developing into a tropical depression by the end of this week, potentially affecting the Leeward Islands and northern Windward Islands by Friday. This system could also pull some equatorial moisture over Trinidad and Tobago, increasing the chance for thunderstorm activity by Friday. So we are monitoring that area really closely. When it comes to our seas, they will remain slight to moderate with waves up to 1.5 meters in open waters and just below 1 meter in sheltered areas. And to wrap up, while you take a look at your tidal times, Erin is set to move between Bermuda and the Carolinas. A tropical wave could bring cloudy periods on Tuesday, and we are keeping an eye on an area of interest for Friday.